Imagine pressing the start button and feeling the entire world pause for half a second, then explode into sound. A deep, thunderous growl fills the air, your heartbeat syncs with the engine, and suddenly you realize, this isn't just a car. This is a statement. This is the Mercedes-AMG GT. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the AMG GT demands attention. Long hood, wide stance, aggressive curves, and that unmistakable AMG presence that looks like it's ready to pounce even when standing still. This car doesn't try to impress you quietly. It announces itself, boldly and unapologetically, like it knows exactly what it is, and isn't asking for permission. The design is pure performance art. Every line, every vent, every contour has a purpose. The front grille stretches wide, almost daring the road to challenge it. The low-slung body hugs the ground, making the car look fast even when it's parked. And as you walk around it, you start to notice the balance, luxury and brutality fused into one seamless shape. It's elegant, but dangerous. Refined, but wild. Open the door and step inside, and the experience shifts from raw aggression to precision-crafted luxury. This is where Mercedes reminds you that performance doesn't mean compromise. Premium leather wraps around you, carbon fiber accents hint at the car's racing DNA, and everything feels solid, intentional, and driver-focused. The cockpit feels tight, almost intimate, like the car is wrapping itself around you, preparing for what's coming next. The center console rises high, lined with buttons that feel more like controls in a fighter jet than a car. Every click, every touch, feels deliberate. This isn't about distraction. This is about connection. The steering wheel fits perfectly in your hands, and the digital displays give you everything you need: speed, performance data, driving modes, without overwhelming you. And then there's the heart of the beast. Under that long hood sits a handcrafted AMG V8 engine, built by a single engineer under the famous, one man, one engine, philosophy. This isn't mass-produced power. This is personal. The engine roars to life with authority, delivering explosive acceleration that pins you back into the seat. The AMG GT doesn't just move forward, it launches. Press the accelerator, and the response is immediate. No hesitation, no delay. Just pure, mechanical violence translated into speed. The exhaust note is deep, aggressive, and addictive, popping and crackling as you shift gears. It's the kind of sound that makes people turn their heads before they even see the car. But what truly sets the AMG GT apart isn't just straight-line speed. It's control. The balance of the chassis, the precision of the steering, the way it hugs corners like it's glued to the asphalt. This car feels alive. It communicates with you. Every turn of the wheel, every change in throttle, every brake input feels directly connected to the road. Switch between driving modes, and the car transforms. In comfort mode, it's surprisingly civilized, smooth enough for daily driving, calm enough to cruise through the city. But switch to sport or race mode, and the AMG GT reveals its true personality. The suspension tightens, throttle response sharpens, and the car becomes a focused weapon built for performance. This dual personality is what makes the AMG GT so special. It's not just a weekend supercar. It's a machine you can live with, and one that can still embarrass far more expensive exotics on the track. It carries the soul of a race car but wears the suit of a luxury grand tourer. And let's talk about presence, because the AMG GT doesn't blend in. Whether you're pulling up to a traffic light or cruising down the highway, people notice. Phones come out, heads turn. The car has an aura, a confidence that doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. There's also something deeply emotional about driving this car. It's not just fast, it makes you feel something. The vibration of the engine, the sound echoing through tunnels, the way the car reacts instantly to your inputs, it creates a bond between driver and machine. You're not just driving, you're participating. Mercedes-AMG didn't build this car to be safe or predictable. They built it to be exciting. To make every drive feel special, even if you're just going to the store. It reminds you why cars matter. Why performance matters. Why passion still exists in a world moving toward silence and automation. The AMG GT represents a philosophy, a refusal to let emotion die. In an era of electric motors and quiet efficiency, this car stands proudly with its roaring V8, reminding us what raw power feels like. It's a celebration of engineering, craftsmanship, and adrenaline. Owning or driving an AMG GT isn't about practicality. It's about desire. It's about choosing excitement over convenience, passion over logic. It's for those who don't just want to get from point A to point B, but want to feel alive on the journey in between. And when you finally park it, step out, and walk away, you'll do what every AMG GT owner does. You'll look back, because cars like this aren't just transportation. They're experiences, they're memories, they're dreams on four wheels. The Mercedes-AMG GT isn't trying to be the future. It's reminding us why we fell in love with cars in the first place.